Hey guys, we're back with another video, and we are going to be setting up a speed bag.
Something like this.
No, it's not. Well, I mean, there's a camera guy. Alright, anyway, this is my video, it's my channel. Alright, anyway, so you're going to take your little hooky thing you got with your little package, alright, and then you're going to hook this on there just like so.
Jinx.
No jinx under the roof. Alright, and then you have a speed bag. Someone can hold it.
Something like that.
Hold it tightly, another person can just do that. And it also comes with these little freaking thingies that...
I don't think they go like that. But it's your channel.
I'm not sure right now. I'm not sure how you do this though. But
we did this
yeah, we didn't get any instructions. Unless this is it. Oh yeah, over the door speed bag trainer. Alright, here we go. Assembly instruction. Alright. So we don't need this, we're smart. Alright, maybe we do need that. But anyway, here you go. You have your little console, and then someone can hold it like this or something. And
pop, pop, pop.
Alright, so you guys are going to be somewhere over here.
You want to hold it so you punch it?
Yeah. Just hold it like that.
Hold
Up. Right there. And hold it tight, because I punch hard. I told you I punch hard.
Hold up, I'm like talking, but I need to do it this way.
Alright.
Punch it like this. I can't see it.
Alright, if you guys can't see that,
Hold up, I'm seeing.
here's the speed of the bag. Here, put it like that. There you go.
I was not holding on.
Hold on.
You guys need some help in there?
No, we got it. It's assembled. Alright.
Alright, let me try.
Alright. Okay, now we're kind of in the video. Alright. I'm not ready. Alright, go.
You're gonna make me pull my arm out.
Oh, dang it. Alright, good. Oh, wait.
Uppercut.
Oh, yeah.
I did not want to do that.
Look how weak he is. Alright, look how weak he is. Look how weak. Alright, real, I'll hold it for you now. Alright.
That was a terrible punch. I did it really.
Pretend this dude stole your girlfriend.
Oh, what? What are you doing? Stop. Your head don't move like that.
Alright, here. You're just gonna hold it. Just pretend this dude stole my girlfriend, alright? Hold it.
Hold up. I guess this is it.
Hang on for just 2 seconds. I figured it out, so...
Alright, hold on. Let me do the rest of this video, alright?
Please.
This little midget stole her.
No, alright. Like this, alright? This dude stole my girlfriend. He's going down. You son of a... No, you gotta hold it higher.
Well, it's a midget.
No, it's not. You son of a mother. Little freaking midget. This dude can't. Here. I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit it with my elbow.
I'm gonna hold it with one hand.
I'm gonna hold it like a karate person. Ready? Hold it up a little.
Oh shoot. Alright. Yeah, finish it.
Alright, well that's the end of this video. Hope you had it. This is a banger video.
Bye.
You ready? Peace.